Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to make a block for the back of a quilt. If you're interested in seeing how I do a special block on the back of the quilt, then stick around. Okay, so this is a special quilt to me. It's a flag quilt, and I will insert a picture of it up above. I just finished the quilt, and for the back of it, I want to do a special 250th commemorative block. And so I am just going to do an Ohio block on the back and then put this embroidery. I'm going to use that for the center of my block. So I have cut it out to 6.5 inches, and let's get busy making this block, and I'll show you in the backing what it looks like. So I'm going to make a 12-inch block, and I have just cut out all my pieces. I'm using scrap fabric because I wanted the fabric to match the front of the quilt, and I used the Lori Holt fabric, the 4th of July fabric. Oh, I forgot the name of it, but I will put it across the screen right here. So I'm just using white to match what I used for my embroidery block. And I'm just going to use blue here. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my top rows. And this is it. What do you think? I love it. I think it's so pretty. I'm going to put this as a strip on the back of my quilt. I've got to decide if I just want my backing to be white and this just to be like a pop, or if I want it to be a fabric pattern. I had this and I thought about doing this. These don't really go, and I know they don't have to, but that kind of bothers me. I think I'm just going to do white. So this is the quilt. It's just called the Liberty Quilt, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's just what I wanted it to be. And so this is the block. And so these fabrics that I used are part of this back quarter bundle. So let me show you what I'm going to do on the back. I'm going to take this block and then I'm going to do strips on either side of it all the way across the back. So I think that's a good idea. And I'm not going to measure the strips evenly. I'm going to be whatever strips I have. So I'll let you know what that looks like as it progresses. I have finished it. This is not centered on the table, so it looks wonky, but it's gonna look like that. I just sewed a bunch of strips. They don't have to be even, and I like that. And then I sewed some cream, some blue, some red, some white. I love it. I think it's gonna look really nice when I'm done quilting it, and I think I'm just going to straight stitch it. I had thought about doing something fancy. It probably would look really good, but since it's just a lot of stripes, I thought it would look good. I'm still thinking on it. It'll be a surprise when I show you what I end up doing. Anyway, you'll get to see it in just a second when I'm done quilting. I'm completely done with this project, so let me show you the finished look. This is the quilt complete flag. I love it. Can you see that? So that's the front. This is the back. I used white, and then I did the striping. This is a close-up of the embroidery. This is a commemorative quilt. I did my branding down in this back corner. I liked the layered look of the red, white, and blue. For the quilting, I just did a traditional straight stitch diagonal. And for the binding, I did the navy blue polka dot. And I hand stitch the back of my binding like you saw. I'm very, very pleased with it. I appreciate you coming along with the journey. And please like and subscribe if you liked the content of this, and come back and join me again. And I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.